share with you real quick some Halloween pocket letters that I've created. I made a mini one and a full one. So this is how this one looks, super cute. I used some paper that I purchased from an expo that I went with my mom, and this is how it turned out. I also used some Dollar Tree stickers and some bling from Michaels. This washi tape is from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to send this out to a friend who loves Halloween. And then this one here, I absolutely love it. I just used my stash that I had from my paper from last year that my mom gave to me. She was doing like a cleaning, and I used some Dollar Tree rings to make it look cute, stickers from Dollar Tree, and these little die cuts with the sticker here. These I got all in friend mail, and I purchased these from Michaels. So no, from Dollar Tree, you guys, sorry. So this is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. Look how the shape there is. I am in love with these ghost stickers, you guys. I bought 2 packs, and if I go back and if they have more, which I highly doubt because I have yet to see them again, I'm gonna buy another pack because these are so freaking cute. So I absolutely love the way this one turned out. And yeah, I also have another thing to share with you guys, which I might just jump into this video. You know why? Because it's only a minute long right now. I have been making these loaded pockets that my friend Craft Junkie made a tutorial on them, guys. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Go check out her tutorial. It's very simple. She explains it very well and shows everything very well. So go check out my friend Craft Junkie if you haven't already, if you want to see how she creates these pocket, what is it? Loaded pockets, I believe. It's only using 1 sheet, 12 by 12 paper. So that's what I used to create. So I'm going to show you actually this one because this is what I made first. It's a summer theme one. Now I had a very busy summer, and I worked on this and I didn't get a chance to mail it out. So I'm gonna actually hold it and mail it out when summer comes again. This is specifically for a friend of mine, but I don't want to send her this yet because we're like in fall, Halloween, Christmas is around the corner. So I figure I'll just hold on to it and put it away and then give it to her when summer is here. So I made, there's like 2 pockets. So I made one here, and there's so many ways that you can do it. She shows you, but I did it like that. So there's a pocket here, and then the big pocket. And that's how the back looks. And that one, that's how that one turned out. I was late to sending it out to her, so I just put it in here. I'm not gonna say who it's for. When they receive it, they'll know. But this is like a very girly. I don't know how to make rosettes, guys. I tried the best that I can, and then I added some glitter. So this one says hello beautiful. Pink is always a good idea. This just has 1 pocket, and I just added some stuff that I was gonna give her because it was like all over the place, and I figured like putting it in here and using up your paper is a great way to, you know, send out friend mail, and they can reuse it or they can regift it, whatever they might like. And so this is for a friend of mine, and I'm gonna be shipping this out to her soon. So, and then here I just put a paper clip. She can remove this little die cut girl and use her. So that's how that one turned out. It's very girly, black, gold, and pink. So I love that. And this one is a little bit ginormous. I measured a little wrong. I wish I would have made it a little bit wider just so everything can fit. Everything's kind of like poking out, as you can see, because I packed it to the max, and I should have like made it a little bit, maybe like a ½ inch wider, but it's okay. And I just added all these goodies in here for my friend. I actually have a couple of more stickers that's not like cactus theme or whatever. It doesn't fit in here, so I'm just gonna leave it off to the side and still give it to her. All right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this project share, some crafting things that I've been making over the past couple of months, and I hope my friends like it. Don't forget to check out my friend Craft Junkie. The link is down below, and check her out. Let her know I sent you, and make these, you guys. These are super awesome, super easy, quick, and just beautiful to do. Like, you just add all your stickers, all your goodies in there, and just put it in an envelope. You can even wrap it up in tissue paper, put it in an envelope, packaging envelope, and send it off to your friend. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys get inspired, and leave me some comments down below, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.